I'm making a fantastic crispy tuna and vegetable tart with a lovely brown rice crust. So 1.5 cups of cooked brown rice, approximately half a cup of grated cheddar. We'll reserve the rest for later in the dish. Freshly cracked black pepper, some sea salt. The sea salt is important, it does help bring out the natural flavours in the food, and an egg just to combine all the ingredients together. A gentle stir. This dish is fantastic for anybody who's on a gluten-free diet or a celiac. I've got a flan dish, or any baking dish will do, lightly sprayed already with some olive oil. And I need to spread this mixture along the base, like you would with pastry, and up the sides of the dish too. So I'll start with the back of the spoon. Just find this helps to flatten it out really well. Don't worry if there's any little holes, the egg will fill up those gaps as it cooks. If you need to, get your hands in there to spread it evenly, but usually the spoon works pretty well. Try to get it as far up the sides as you can to hold in that filling. Fantastic, now I'll get on with making my filling. To prepare the filling, to save on washing up, just use the same bowl. 6 eggs, straight in the bowl. I'll just whisk them lightly to combine. Fresh vegetables. So we're using grated zucchini and sweet potato, but you can add to that if you like. It's a great way of incorporating extra vegetables into your diet and your family's diet. A gentle stir. And I've sautéed some onion with some garlic for just a few minutes until fragrant in a pan. That'll add lovely flavour to our dish. And some fresh herbs. Today we're using some thyme and some fresh oregano. So easy to grow your own herbs. It's great, just even if you've got a small space, a courtyard, they make such a difference, herbs, and adding them to your recipes. A gentle stir to combine. Add another half a cup of grated cheese. Cheddar is best. We'll reserve the rest to sprinkle on top. This is a great low GI dish. So some Safcold tuna in spring water. I'm using 2 of the smaller tins, but you can certainly use a larger tin. I love tuna, so I would rather get as much in as possible. I'll give this one last mix. Make sure everything's combined together. Such a healthy recipe. This is all combined. Now I'm ready to fill my base, my tart. Using a big spoon might be a little easier. The oven is preheated to 180 and it'll take approximately 45 minutes to cook in the oven. Just spread the filling evenly across your base. I'll just finish it off with the last of the grated cheese, which will melt beautifully through the dish and give it a little extra flavour. The kids certainly love the extra cheese. And off to bake in the preheated oven. Our crispy tuna vegetable tart smells wonderful. It's ready to serve. You can finish it off with some freshly chopped parsley. This is really delicious served warm, but it's also wonderful served cold and very portable, so it's great for a picnic, work lunches and school lunches.